Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the banking crisis in China and how it's affecting the global economy. The banking crisis in China began to unfold in early 2024, with reports of small and medium-sized banks facing financial difficulties. Since July 2024, over 40 banks have disappeared, with many more struggling to stay afloat. The crisis was sparked by a combination of factors including relaxed lending standards, which led to a surge in bad loans, a housing market bubble which burst and left banks with significant exposure to risky loans, weak regulation and lack of transparency, making it difficult for investors and depositors to assess the true health of the banks, overexposure to risky investments, such as shadow banking products. As the crisis deepened, depositors began to lose confidence in the banking system, leading to a surge in withdrawals and a liquidity crisis. The Chinese government has since stepped in to stabilize the banking system, but the crisis has already had far-reaching consequences for the global economy. With China being a major trading partner with many countries, including Europe, the impact is being felt worldwide. Some of the key effects include reduced trade and investment between China and other countries, decreased demand for raw materials and commodities, reduced economic growth and increased uncertainty, impact on global supply chains and international trade. There have been reports of fraudulent activities related to the Chinese banking scandal. In February 2024, a group of victims of one of China's biggest banking scandals gathered outside a train station in Zhengzhou, Henan, to protest the freezing of their accounts, containing tens of thousands of dollars. The protesters were detained by the police, with most being released after a few days. However, some are still in custody, accused of picking quarrels and provoking trouble. The bank scandal involves what Chinese authorities described as a complex fraud perpetrated across a handful of rural banks when Fu Group, a private firm with stakes in the lenders, colluded with bank staff to siphon off depositors' funds. In 2022, 5 defendants connected to Fu had been tried and sentenced to 14 to 16 years in prison and fined hundreds of thousands of dollars. The incident had raised concerns about the stability of rural lenders and the government's ability to handle the growing crisis. The banking crisis in China is a complex issue with far-reaching consequences for the global economy. Stay informed and stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching!